Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you learn to play Color Your Night on the piano. We'll start by understanding the foundational elements of the piece. First, identify the key, which is B flat minor or D flat major. Then, focus on the main chord progression. You'll primarily use 4 chords: B flat minor 7, A flat minor 7, G flat major 7, and E flat minor 7. Practice these slowly to build a solid base. Next, let's tackle the melody with your right hand. The main theme is quite memorable, so listen to the original song to internalize its flow. Practice the melody slowly, focusing on accurate notes and rhythm. Aim for a smooth, connected sound, ensuring each note transitions gracefully into the next. This will help capture the song's emotional depth. Now, let's integrate the left hand accompaniment. Your left hand will play the chords we discussed earlier, providing a harmonic foundation. Focus on a steady rhythm and even volume, allowing the melody to shine. Try playing the chords as block chords or arpeggios, depending on the section. Smooth transitions between these 4 chords are key to a cohesive sound. Finally, it's time to bring both hands together. Start very slowly, ensuring your hands are synchronized. Don't rush. Accuracy is more important than speed initially. Once you feel comfortable, gradually increase the tempo. Consistent practice, even for 15 to 20 minutes each day, will yield significant progress. Remember to enjoy the process of learning this beautiful piece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.